Hello, everyone. This is the cooking channel, and I'll send it to you today as well. Well, today is Caesar salad day, the king of salads. As you all know, the name reminds us of Caesar, the emperor of Rome. This salad that everyone recognizes, both the name and the looks are first class. But don't worry, it doesn't look like an emperor, and anyone can make it easily. That's another great thing about this Caesar salad. This salad looks very simple: the freshness of the lettuce, the richness of the Parmesan cheese, the crunchy texture of the croutons, and the delicate flavor of the dressing that holds it all together. These are exquisitely intertwined to create a flavor party in one dish. It's so much fun, wouldn't you like to participate? So, it's time to introduce the long awaited ingredients. First, 1 large lettuce. It's important to add volume to the salad. Next, 50 g of Parmesan cheese. It's not a Caesar salad without it. Play such an important role. And croutons, this is 1 cup. The crispy texture is the accent. Next, for a little grown-up taste, 4 anchovies. This fish punch is the key to the dressing. This is also indispensable for dressing. And 2 tablespoons lemon juice to add freshness. Finally, 100 milliliters of olive oil and 1 egg yolk to enhance the flavor, and a simple but important salt and pepper to adjust the taste. If you have this much, you will be a Caesar from today. Not an emperor, but a master Caesar salad maker. Now that you're all feeling good, let's see how to make a great Caesar salad. Are you ready? Now, wash your hands, put on your apron, and join us in the kitchen. Well, let's start by making the dressing, which can be said to be the soul of this Caesar salad. Dressing is an exaggerated name, but it's basically a salad's makeup. But that role should never be underestimated. A Caesar salad is a success if the dressing is good. Let's make Caesar salad a success together. The feature of this dressing is that anchovies and garlic are the main ingredients. Both are ingredients that have a very strong presence. However, if you combine them well in one dish, you can bring out more deliciousness than you can imagine. Yes, that's exactly what this dressing is. First, finely chop the anchovies and garlic. The important thing here is to finely chop both. The finer, the better when it comes to mixing later. Then, mix the finely chopped anchovies and garlic together and mash until it resembles a paste. When it becomes a paste, transfer it to a bowl. Then add lemon juice and egg yolk. These two are also important factors that determine the taste of the dressing. Then mix the three together. The important thing here is the speed and power of mixing. Mixing too quickly or too vigorously can cause the ingredients to separate, so mix gently and carefully. Then, slowly add the olive oil and keep mixing. The important thing here is not to add a lot of oil at once, but to add it little by little. This allows the oil to mix well with the other ingredients, creating a smooth dressing. When everything is well mixed, finally season with the right amount of salt and pepper. With this, the dressing that can be said to be the soul of Caesar salad is complete. Everyone, this dish is exactly the leading role is simple. That is the motto of Caesar salad. Now that the dressing is complete, it's time for the main characters, the plain-looking lettuce and Parmesan cheese. These two seemingly plain ingredients, but please look forward to seeing how well they perform. Start with that bright green lettuce. Lettuce can be called the ace striker of salads. If you tear it too small, the Parmesan cheese and dressing won't pass through the balls, so the key is to make it the right size. In addition, tearing the lettuce by hand preserves the natural texture of the lettuce itself, just like a player running around freely on the field. So don't cut it with scissors or a knife, tear it off with your hands. Just be careful not to use too much force and injure the lettuce. They are our precious teammates. Next is Parmesan cheese, which we are very confident in its deliciousness. The point when shaving is thin and shaving large. This spreads the aroma of the cheese more and makes you feel happy when you take a bite. I feel like I just won the game. Parmesan cheese makes a Caesar salad as fun and exciting as a soccer game. These steps complete the preparation of the basic part of the salad. As you can see, our Caesar salad team is well balanced. You can't lose the game cooking with this. All that's left is to wrap this beautiful lettuce and fragrant Parmesan cheese tightly with the coach's instructions for the dressing we just made. We'll show you how in the next section. Let's get into halftime. Everyone, the climax is approaching. Today's big event, Caesar salad, is just a step away. Watch the rustic ingredients spread out in front of you, lettuce, Parmesan cheese, and croutons, and look forward to seeing how this amazing troupe transforms. Now, let's start with the lettuce we just tore with love. Next to it is the confident Parmesan cheese, and the crunchy croutons, dancers who will be the stage of Caesar salad from now on. It's a combination that I've seen somewhere, but from here they come together and show an amazing performance. Then, it's time for the long-awaited dressing. This effort brings them together on stage and sublimes them into a work of art. Mix everything together, lovingly and gently, of course. Make sure all the ingredients are well coated with the dressing, being careful not to damage the lettuce or croutons. Look at this sense of unity. It's like a ballet company dancing beautifully on stage. Once everything comes together, the next step is to put it on a plate. Here too, the appearance is important. From now on, you will produce not just a salad, but a work of art. By arranging the food beautifully, the impression you get with your eyes will be even more impressive with your mouth. Final finish. Lightly sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top. It's like the moment the curtain falls on the stage and the spotlight hits the leading dancer, and the finished Caesar salad spreads out in front of you. Its beauty and fragrance will captivate anyone. Come on, everyone, please enjoy this best moment. Well, the Caesar salad is now complete. But in order to enjoy delicious food even more deliciously, it would be nice to have a matching dish or drink that goes well with it. So this time, I would like to suggest some dishes and drinks that I think would be good to enjoy with Caesar salad. Start with the food pairings. Caesar salad balances well with heavier dishes due to its rich flavor and light texture. For example, if you eat it with a meat dish, the juiciness of the meat and the freshness of the salad complement each other, creating a very delicious combination. Steak and roast chicken are recommended. Also, Caesar salad goes well with pasta, especially pasta with cream sauce or tomato sauce. The acidity of the salad enhances the richness of the cream sauce, and the sourness of the tomato sauce creates a well-balanced dish. With these combinations, you can enjoy it not only as a single dish, but also as part of a full course. Next, I will talk about drinks that go well with Caesar salad. We recommend a light white wine to bring out the freshness and aroma of Caesar salad. In particular, refreshing white wines such as Sauvignon Blanc and Pinot Gris go well with the sourness of lemon and the saltiness of cheese, and deepen the taste of Caesar salad. Also, beer is said to go well with Caesar salad. A light beer in particular goes well with the freshness of the salad, and its refreshing taste makes the meal even more enjoyable. Beverages play an important role in accentuating meals and enhancing the flavor of food. Even the same dish can taste different depending on the drink, so it's fun to try different things. Everyone, please try to find your own favorite matching, and we hope you will enjoy Caesar salad even more. Well, everyone, thank you very much for walking this journey with us. How did you like this Caesar salad that we created together? Contrary to the simplicity of the ingredients, you will surely be surprised by the richness and exquisite balance of the flavor. The Caesar salad is the embodiment of the simple is best philosophy. Each ingredient may seem humble: lettuce, cheese, bread, and a dressing based on anchovies and garlic, but when you put them together, they create something that goes far beyond your expectations. And it's as delicious as a Caesar salad served at a fancy restaurant. It's hard to believe that you can easily make it in your own kitchen, right? And the process of making this Caesar salad teaches us the joy of cooking itself, the gentleness with which ingredients are handled, the joy of the moment when each ingredient and dressing come together, and the sense of accomplishment when you see a beautifully arranged salad on a plate. These are the irreplaceable joys of cooking. By all means, please try making this Caesar salad, and I hope you will fully enjoy the fun and deliciousness of cooking. By cooking together, we hope that you will be able to feel the beauty of each ingredient that is usually overlooked, and the surprise that comes together to create a single dish. Well then, let's continue our journey through the world of cooking with us next time. New ingredients and new recipes are waiting for you. See you next time. Thank you for watching this time.